What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and this is the pre-order video for my live pour party number 15. Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video, I sincerely appreciate it. This is all the info about the pour party and also the giveaway that's going to be going on tonight. So this is my 15th ever live pour party where I'm going to be melting down silver and pouring it into these molds right here, and I'll be doing it on a live stream. So it starts at 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern time. I really hope to see you all there. Not only will I be pouring silver, but also we'll be doing some giveaways. So real quick, the giveaways that I'm going to be doing, I do have two of these 1/10 ounce silver rounds. Those are kind of cool. So we'll be giving away a couple of those. And then also one of these. Now it's Friday the 13th. So what better to give away than a first order pure silver quarter. So this is a 1/5 ounce of silver. And I smashed this myself in Disneyland. And it's really cool. So that's what we'll be giving away. All right. So those are the giveaways. To enter the giveaways, all you got to do is show up to the live stream and then try and guess the correct number before anyone else. So you got to be live in the chat to enter those giveaways, but those are USA only as well. But those are really cool, really fun, and totally free. So anyway, good luck on those. But let's talk about the pour party. So if you wanted to pre-order anything, there's three ways to do it. You can either leave a comment down below in this video. My preferred way is for you to just shoot me an email, silverdragons47@gmail.com, or you can also send me a direct message on Instagram. Let me know which one of these molds you would like to pre-order for tonight, and then I will go ahead and reserve it for you, and then we'll get it poured. And then after the stream, I contact everyone, let them know the final weights and totals and all that kind of stuff. So as far as pricing goes, this is going to be the same as my other pour parties. All the information is down below in the description if you'd like to read that as far as pricing and shipping and all that good stuff. But anyway, let me show you the molds that we will be pouring tonight. And I don't have one that I've never poured before, but I do have one that's new to the live pour parties. So let's just make our way around the circle. Now I tried to pick ones that are, I guess, on the scarier side, because it is Friday the 13th. So we have the massive 5 ounce skull. These are really cool. They end up having epic ripples. I hope at least one person pre-orders a 5 ounce skull so we can get that poured tonight. Those are really sweet. We also do have the coffins. These are one of my favorite pours to do. The coffins we can do on the smaller side. I think the smallest one I ever did was like 1.2 ounces. But usually these are around 2 ounces. And those end up looking great. A great option for Friday the 13th. We do have St. Patrick's Day coming up. I'm going to get all these mailed out on Monday, so it probably won't make it to you in time. But if you haven't got your 4-leaf clover yet, you can pre-order one of those tonight. Those are around 2.5 ounces. We do have the dragons coming back. Those are really cool. It's a flourish dragon design, and those are about 2+ ounces. Now, the Viking got a lot of attention on the last pour party, so I thought we'd bring it back. It's the Viking Warrior. These are on the bigger side. They're around 4 ounces, but the ripples end up being absolutely epic on the back of those because it's such a big pour. We will be doing the Aztecs again. This is sort of the coin, if you will, from the Pirates of the Caribbean movies. A lot of people like these. They end up being around 3 ounces, so you can pre-order one of those if you like. I'm going to be offering the Cobras. Last time I offered the Cobras, we didn't get any pre-orders, so we didn't get to pour it, but I do really like the look of these. They're pretty scary, so it's a good option for Friday the 13th, and they end up being somewhere around 3 ounces. So there you go. We will be doing the hearts again. I feel like we always get a couple hearts every stream. These make awesome gifts for birthdays, anniversaries, or if you just want one for yourself. Those are usually around 2.5 ounces. We'll be doing the pyramids as well. A lot of people like the pyramids. Always get a couple pre-orders. Those are around 3.5 ounces, but they're very unique and very cool and very fun. We'll be doing the gun mold again. I believe these were around 2 ounces, somewhere in that neighborhood. But they are really cool, and it's always nice to express your Second Amendment rights. We will have the skull round. This is about 2 ounces ish, so it's a little bit smaller, but it is a cool skull. Looks great antiqued. So that'll be offered tonight. And then the new one that's new to the live pour parties. So this one is actually really hard to pour, which is one of the reasons I haven't offered it before. But I thought we'd break it out tonight and try it. Now, traditionally, I was pouring this for my Coast to Coast show pours, but that was last year, and I'm not really doing that anymore. So I figured rather than let the mold just sit there, let's pour some at the pour parties. So it's a flag, it's a USA flag, and it's also a map of the United States of America. So I think these end up being around 3 ounces, but they're very cool, very awesome pours. So hopefully we get some pre-orders for those and we can try and make some awesome pieces. So there you go. That was all of the molds we'll be offering tonight. That was about the giveaway and all that kind of stuff. Let me know if you'd like to pre-order anything. It will be a really fun pour party. I'm very excited for it. I do want to say thank you for watching my video, and hopefully I'll see you all tonight. Silver Dragons out.